Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we got
Angel
and we are gonna do a reacting to my old photos video. So when I say old photo, guys, we are going way back like
ugly.
way back like grade 7 or primary, them back there. So I'm going on Facebook, guys, and I dig up all of the old photos. Okay, you know, so then time there, Facebook just come up. Well, it probably never just come up, but me the new Twitter and something. And every little thing you take, throw up on Facebook and all these things. And I was a warm little baby. You know what I mean by warm? Ugly. Not even warm, I did hot. I did ugly with you. I was an ugly little baby, so you know.
Honest.
But thank God for maturity, guys. So if you don't want to see the video, guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button
and the post notification bell.
Smash the like button
and leave a comment
down below. Follow up on Instagram at I am Shawna
at legendary_Lishi and my backup page.
And no small shout out here.
No.
Then gonna be on the screen, guys, and also down in the description. Follow it on the social media. So do it. Jesus please.
We don't want a mother, so we don't want Shawna, so my backup page.
What's my name?
_legendary_Lishi_. So I'm gonna go follow my panda page.
Yeah, guys, so we're gonna look out for this phone and I'm gonna also put the picture on the screen. Realize when we do the picture on the screen video, guys, most of our comments say on the door, so the picture them or whatever. I don't know what go wrong with that, but I'm gonna try my best to see what happen and make us see them ugly picture here. So these are the chance I get for bash me down in the comment section and say how much we did ugly, I did this and that, and yeah, but that's true. So this is the chance I get to do all of that. Anyways, enough with the chatting and to the ugly pictures. So first picture. Is water. First picture and a picture here. This is 2009. You know when cut up, you have to rate it to, you know. When cut up blouse, he just away, guys. A girl inside of me, my cousin, she dead. R.I.P. Jody. And this did a one little birthday party, then they give her or something. So
2009.
yeah. Them time I did real marga, watch me. You know them what they call it? They malnourished, them marga, them belly big. Talk it true, look.
That's your post.
Oh, my post? What a true look for my belly.
Alright, let me rate it for you.
And I rate it, I react to it. Oh,
let me tell you. It look kind of nice, but then it have like a dimple.
I still have like a... Might not deep now, but...
Whatever.
Okay.
The
and purple is our favorite color, that's why we're in a purple.
The like stiff out liquor. I don't know.
We never fully stiff. You don't like it?
I don't like it.
That guy.
You like it?
Them time, at least them time my teeth did white, so that's why I do that smile. Now I don't really like smile. Not because my teeth don't white, but anyways, yeah. Want to think about the picture there, guys. Leave on a comment down below. The next picture. This.
You go on yourself, what?
The time we got Elsha, you know them time there? We can't go to look nice beach them here. We got Elsha, and you know when you don't have nobody, so you lean over so and I push up for make it look like you have a little body. Salo, I laugh over there, Salo. Salo, I really observe and listen and laugh. So, because the breeze did not blow, girl.
Friend, let me talk.
The breeze did not blow, so my ear did pull up.
Yeah, this can go on. It's alright. It look good.
I'm trying to be the real man, you know. Look around the sun, nobody, nothing.
But you don't have.
I mean, I have none now, but you know, no, that pose that killed me.
Yeah, we have place a batty. You can't tell them that. You only have place a batty.
Top laugh. So I said, I never have, we only did have place. So then time I lean over to get the look of batty.
Lean over.
And just shut up.
Balance can never have no batty.
The levels of disrespect.
No, sir. Next picture.
The next picture here now.
Why?
What me did I do right here, so?
We don't know, but I did that kind of push up.
What me did I do?
Someone should have a shirt.
Let me have one little romper.
They did have like a bottom.
A bare shoes me usually wear, you know, bare shoes. That did the all-star them. So,
They did have like a bottom, yeah, so they look nice.
you say right, so I start grow look a muscle.
Yeah, look a muscle up.
She's a space.
But that one you wear now, make us up. They not look good. They like how you pose.
Me did that sit down, my back in that hurt me, so
You
I
look
did that
like you
sit
did
down.
that. You want to see that?
Right here, so me head, me don't know what did I go on with my ear, guys, but boy, it never look good. Talk it true.
Talk true.
It never look good.
Talk it true.
It never look good, none at all. Next picture. That are when them shoes that did I wear. I remember wearing them.
Like
But it dry rotten now. You don't like the
I
shoes?
don't like it. I don't
Why?
like the shoes. Everywhere else can go on, but I don't like the shoes. I don't like it.
That ear, you know, I did cut it, you know, 'cause I remember the ear did there. You know, then time there be a synthetic ear people are wear. And you know, when they wear the ear more than once, you can't afford to make people see the same. You say just cut it, make it look like a new ear. So I just cut it shoulder length, it look like new ear.
Look nice.
And so that look good.
Nice, yeah. But I don't like the shoes though.
Me like the shoes. If, up to them, I love the shoes. Them shoes that they kick my ass. Kick bottom shoes. So yeah, me did like this. If most of them look now on the system, I still have that suit there, and I see it.
Of course.
I still have the suit.
So long years now.
Yeah.
Next picture, please.
Next picture. This backside. We did really maga right there, so guys.
Get your shots.
One to my shorts.
No, not really, but they did look tight for you.
Because it did tight.
They never that squeeze you.
Oh yeah, that squeeze my vagina. Me don't know, you know when them pose did that go on when they come so. You push your look and you look a finger in your jaw so. And then pose them did that child.
Get your foot there, sir.
Where?
Twist up. No, sir.
Mash up your slippers.
Mm-mm.
No, but look how me did Marga. Talk it through, Angel. No look a curve, not in on my side, no look a dent, nothing,
Only
just
straight.
straight so.
Only straight.
Ah!
Stop laugh.
Come in now. No, sir. Sit down.
Straight. No, sir. But me never ugly. Me think me did ugly, but me never fully ugly.
You never, you
Only
did
half.
warmish.
Yeah, me
I
did
was
warm.
nearly to
Only half.
Cold.
Me never
Oh,
fully. Me did
Alright,
think
me
me did ugly bad, but me never fully ugly.
Me don't really like it, me don't really like it.
Why?
Because me don't like the pose and me don't like your suit. It don't go well.
I mean, if I said the red belt no match then, yeah, but you could have told me not right as a kill me then me look good right as a but now looking back, I really never look good. I don't know what that one.
Bah.
Next one I write so now. Remember when it's something that we're for forehead, what their name? You don't know that's what, oh you never born yet. The look of something that we did that wear for forehead. The last hit something. Yo, I'm telling you, just because I didn't want to follow the trend guys, I go buy one. If you look, they split my forehead in a 5. To hold this something tight. For true, look good on the picture. I split my forehead in a 2 guys.
Yeah, maybe
To
this
always-
look nice right here, so but the ear never go well.
My ear catch up.
But it
In
not
a
look
bun.
good. The bun then already.
You just always have to bash all of my picture there. You can't just say yeah. If you do, I never look good, me they
It's
look
so
good.
everything else alright, but the ear not ready.
Well, then time I never know if I do nothing. I was just a child, guys.
But it's
That's
still
me.
a child.
I was a big child. Okay, I know me by big. And my body did big, but I was very young. My age really young. Yeah, guy. Right, yes, sir.
What? What you?
Remember, this did our New Year's night, guys. We got fireworks.
But the face so black.
Because the picture take a night, them time there.
Yeah, me not
Body
mean
have the
so.
quality for one.
I mean like your makeup when you put on lipstick black, eyeshadow look black.
The lipstick never black. Me not have an eyeshadow because I never wear eyeshadow. Right? That's now if you look, me never me this shave off one of my eyebrow. If you look nice in the eyebrow. You know when you think you look good and you think you're hot and you feel like you're big and you go shave eyebrow. Now no eyebrow guys, I want line to have to draw from my face. For true online. I want line drawn from my face.
I like it dress.
You like it?
Yeah. I don't know, it's just still
Sorry,
have a
up,
dress.
sorry. Yeah, I still have a dress.
Yeah, it look good.
So, I never bad right there, so. My
Yeah.
ear did always have a length for my ear, but it did drop off. I don't know why. Right, just so now.
Mama!
You don't know when we get that boot there from, but I
Nah,
don't
the
like it.
face.
I don't smile on picture.
Hair, so.
I don't smile on picture. Everybody always say, why I don't smile? I don't smile on picture, guys. I don't know why. My face hurt me when I smile on picture. My face not
You have
used
look
to it.
bottom right her. You look alright.
You like my dress?
Yes, I like it. Yes, I like it.
Asian days picture them and guys. Oh, it's not even did paint or nothing. Back to the same split fired baby, and I see it. Then time, I don't know what did
Yeah,
happen.
just show off your look.
Yeah, because it flat down, don't
Know how it won't lay down. So, and I don't have a flat iron, so I didn't feel like trying to flat iron it. So,
I made it do it. It never looked good, no, that's not.
How you did go?
I don't remember. Right, so now I school uniform party with for my netball club.
You did look
Who
nice.
can pick me out? Who can pick me up before me tell you no Shawna them and me? Who comment down below before you skip and see the video which one of them and me. But anyways, you can start now.
You look nice out to all of them.
For sure?
Hey, you and Phyllis. You and Phyllis look nice.
Yeah, because my Felicia did have the same thing but different color. Felicia one did up on the inside, mine did up on the outside. I'm gonna tell you why mine did up on the outside, guys. You know them time they are young, so your parents now make you wear anything. So when you see how my skirt look way over my knee, guys, my skirt the way below my knee. Let me tell you the truth. I true. Daddy never want me wearing no shorts on my skirt, so I have to just up out of the yard, put my blouse in on my skirt, and my skirt did below my knee. So when I reach out the gate now, I take out the skirt, the blouse out of the skirt, fold up your waist, way up, so up so the bungalow, so I could have tuck in back the blouse. So that's why the blouse cover over the skirt, and the skirt looks so short, guys, because I have to fold up the whole of here, so but then at the party I'm going to ask him something with a bungalow skirt. That's true.
Yeah, you look nice. I can't go out here, so.
I'm a tie when I have on. I did my primary school tie. St. John's Primary.
Them two girls just threw off on the picture.
Oh.
Them two over here.
No, Debbie did have on the same something like we know almost,
But for our blood
but
too short.
because of belly skin and Cookie have on belly skin to in a calabar color and something. Them did look good. Everybody and Philly did have on one nerd glasses. Everybody look good now their own way.
Well, you say you
So,
me think who look
on the rate it, you know, comment down below guys and rate who look the best. I'm not gonna say me, you know, because me, you know, but shut up.
Next picture, please.
Right, so now, I don't remember where did I keep on me and Abby go. That Abby, that when she did slimmer.
We could have go on it, so.
I'm gonna sit down in her back because I never want to bend down and I never want to look too taller than her. So I'm gonna sit down in her back and take the picture.
You look good yourself.
Who did take that picture there? I don't remember who did take that picture there. This look alright? But look how my toe grab up in the slippers. Watch it.
It's a good for life. Life. Yes.
Yeah, so a
good.
long time red my favorite color, red and white. Not red and white together, but you know, understand?
Yes. We come out and all these things.
Them time them the kind of get to look good now.
Yes, I get to look good and all this stuff.
How my look? How my look?
Nice. And
How my look?
them time my bottom are granted.
Yeah, but the space where they left from the back when grandmother said them time the bottom are full out.
But now we puncture. You know, girl, you need to go do something to get that one. I puncture now. Anyways. Yeah, a little bit.
Once upon a time, it did look good, guys. I don't know, I must stress out my gummy out and make me lose my look back.
Oh, that's stress.
Yeah, you forgot about the gym. And say, I COVID time.
It's still.
Yeah, guys. So right here, so now we did a fill out in my look shape.
It look
And
good.
something.
You match out and all these things.
But they look good, I say.
Yeah, right.
Songs.
Okay.
And right here, so I still never reach big man age yet, guys. But he just look big. Right here, so now. I just did one all-white party when we did go.
Look good.
I just be that you see, you not react to it.
Friend.
Sorry.
You know, I like your shorts and your blouse and your thing. I like one and they look up for
Them time that, who remember the look up? When them something they name? The
Puff.
4-4.
Puff.
Yeah.
However they are.
Yeah, them time that just come out. So no most now wish hear that picture you take. I don't remember.
I know it's still out, but in a really in a
But not,
trend like
yeah,
one
not
time.
trend.
Yeah.
So, me did
Yeah, they kind of look nice and stuff.
You never kind of did look nice. Talk it, you can see my center part right there. So,
Me not talk about your center part.
I did human ear,
You have
girl.
a
Them
center
time I
part,
start
side
step up a
part,
little
back
bit.
part, front part.
Shut up, Angel. Then time I start step up a little bit, somebody that wear human ear. Did look nice.
Which one I go for now?
That's.
Will they come out?
I be a white new jelly wear them time, and I'm not telling them I did love
So where
white.
you did not go yourself?
Me no remember.
I be a white to wear. Yeah, you just look good. You look short and neat and stuff and fine, yo. Just still have that dress there.
But it pop.
It just pop.
Cause I eat me that I put on and I got but the strap papa. Alright, you see I these two strap and one of the strap
Jesus, I have
pop.
to tell everybody detail. Yes. Yeah, I always did said hairstyle, so
Yeah.
it don't make no sense.
The big bun in at the top right there, so guys.
Back in
I
the
didn't
days-
favorite hairstyle.
This they look nice, yes, but the other one them are flat. Oh,
That's how when my
Lord.
ear start dropping, so I don't have enough ear for do it.
Mm-mm.
Give me this, cause you just bash me instead of it.
Why?
Right there, so now. That's how when we do that try smile, guys. I know you have to do one look side smile. We do that try smile. So my face it end up stuck around on the side, yeah. My face it end up stuck for you. That's how the picture they look. So
Put that one, a suit. Did I make a suit?
me do that try.
Make a suit.
Right this so.
Okay.
Because you see the shorts, I usually do tracks at high school. So the shorts that I'm running shorts, guys, the green, the blue and yellow. But the tag go right down to almost to my knee. I don't know. I did want to go to the beach, I never have nothing for wear. I mean, I did have the panty part for the bar too, guys. But then time I don't know, but I just never like wear panty part. I always wear the body top and one short right. So I just cut my running shorts right up under my bottom and wear it. You have to take your hands on fashion.
Yeah,
True.
put that one here, so.
Next one now, guys. This, how I did at the neck bar. This now, if you look good in the system, my jersey full underneath. I'm like, yes, because
So do you want short?
I did want it short and my jersey did tall almost down to my knee. I'm gonna say, I'm not old. So I'm just fold it up under. And just shut up. I just fold it up under my look where I just on here, my tie. And take the picture.
And I push up bottom, forget. No, sir, put it.
Tie
See,
them
our
belly
bag
did
are
it.
unchop in our back for push
Yeah,
up
me I
the
try
push up
very
the
hard
bottom.
because look, I saw me did that though. Try suck in my belly, cause then time them did
You know,
look
like when duck a swim. That's what you do.
then time them did look like malnourished. So but I try hard
They
suck
get
in
him
my belly
back
and I
malnourished.
them time the guys we did that try. Come out on my video, you see I got help bash me.
No, sir, come now, man.
And you know what next picture, me now what I say. Next picture. Right here so now, me did have my hand. When you look on the middle picture and the sister, me not have nobody. Look on the middle picture. Compare into the two side picture, guys. Me did I use my hand. Shut up now, Angel. Me did I use my hand and push up. I try to push up make it look like me have body. Alright, start now.
Alright, your dressing look good and something look nice. You can come out. But your shoes, how about that?
Why you I want big, you don't know Timberland, a
No,
Timberland.
sir, a Timberland.
A
A
Timberland.
Slimberland, me don't know what. What is that?
Black Tims.
No, that
It is
Timberland
a
look
guys. This is a you don't know shoes.
Girl, but me know about that Timberland then already. Come, friend, come. The Timberland then just look.
Well, at the time you could have tell me something that look good. No, me not wear that now, you know. Unless a pink
Let me
or
tell me
something.
they can howl.
Me never old. Don't
Come,
do that.
next picture, please.
Me never old. Right, yes or no? Me did that try very hard to smile.
Yeah, you're cute. So come out and all these.
Me never look here. You see that time those when we smile, my cheek plump up and just look like when somebody sting you or was sting you. True.
Foolishness.
This is that real here, guys.
Take this. Ah!
A true. This is my real ear. Did me buy it? So I did my real ear.
Rotten.
I did my real ear.
No.
I never look too bad, I said, guys. And that I did my real eye in case when I got act. I did my real eye because the light not shining them up and take it. So that's why they look brown.
No, sir. Me and like I want to sleep.
I understand to the video board, but don't worry, I say I'm so
No,
done.
what I sleep.
Right, yes or no? That's how it. I don't know how that picture gets so much likes on Facebook.
Put your foot button.
Exactly, guys. My foot button did dirty and I did one night. So you know, I never be there. I don't know how that picture gets so much like on Facebook. But I did have a little bit of share. Talk it truth. Look on the middle picture. I'm never have on a brazier, so I think it did long. But no, it never long. It did pointed. Sorry, Stella. Sorry.
My lord.
I don't know what you say.
Sorry.
I don't know what you say, but you know what you say. I wonder where you get it if you laugh.
Oh Lord.
So,
Then you can't go, but you could have gone.
yeah. Right, yes or no? I got just put in this. Right, yes, the first time I ever wear a long skirt.
You look nice.
First time I ever wear a long skirt, guys.
And I just stripe. And all these.
A zebra.
Stripe.
What's a stripe dance? Ready? Stripe. And the first time I ever wear a long skirt. Oh, it look.
Stripe.
Oh, it look.
You look nice. I look good.
I keep on make me wear that, you know. That's not even in my skirt. Because I'm not wearing nothing long. I did keep one skirt.
And you look, you can come out-ish here or so.
Yeah, I did keep on
And
skirt.
just stripe.
Not just stripe. Anytime when I go put on a clothes, guys, I have a stripe and I say,
And I'm a stripe.
anyways, guys, these are the final picture now. These are the final picture.
Yeah, they look good, right? They just look nice and stuff and come out and all this stuff in a red and white.
Guys, I did real marga. Even though I'm still marga, I did real marga right there. So I think
and you still have something where I bust up your
bust up my forehead.
So,
Yeah,
yeah, I like it.
Tell them
You
some
still have
love
this
white.
dress?
No, I don't know what I dressed today.
I like it. It
Yeah,
look
guys.
nice.
So
You like it?
yeah, comment down below on a phone reaction to each of the pictures with that. We have a lot more pictures, guys. So I'm just done right because the video long. I'm not want it to be too long. So if you don't want to say a part 2, comment down below say part 2, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, guys.